Hey YouTube, it's Metal51234, and I just received a package from Hong Kong. Here, wait, I gotta cover up my address. Bunch of birdie stamps. Yeah, so I think so. It's my Soul Blaze. So I'm gonna get it open. So, handy tool, scissors. Gonna open it up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Things are tough. But I got it off. Like that. Now, these little circles. Now, gotta get these circles. Scissors will kill you. Yeah. There. Okay, you know what? So, cutting this. Okay, got it off. Now onto the opening. There it is. In bubble wrap. Okay, gotta get it open. Okay. Stop bubble wrapping me. Here it is. Soul Blaze. Japanese stuff. Sticker that comes with everyone. Now I'm gonna, Jagar told me, now I'm gonna open the tape with my, oh wow, it's already open. Okay. Got it. Got it. Track tip, or bottom or performance tip. Variable 145 and AS round sharp, and the tool. Now the bay, which I'm trying to, let's get that from the bottom. Yeah. Now you guys can be dazzled by the track. And so here's the back part. Well, I'm trying to get out Soul Blade. Okay, here. We got it out. Here it is. It looks smaller than you guys think, but stickers. And we'll put it together. So here's the instructions, and it says it's a balance type. It's in bubble wrap. I'm gonna get it open. I'll rip it. Rip. Like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think it looks so cool. Okay. First off, the face. It's sun. Look at that. And clear wheel. Blaze. Soul. This is painted so it would chip in battle. And now, I'm going to put it together and with the track tool and everything. Okay. Cutting it open. They're variable 145. And this is how you change the mode. Right now it's in defense mode when it's all over it. And then all you want to do is just take this thing and snap it out and then put it in right here. Wait, no, this is attack mode, I think. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna figure out this later. Now, the tip is a spinning tip. It looks like a wide defense. It's a balance type. It's stamina and defense at the same time. Track. Wanted to see it in focus. And now I'm gonna build the Beyblade. Okay. Soul, face, blaze, and now the track like that. Need my tool. Of course, it comes with, every Beyblade comes with a black tool. Well, most of them. They should change color like the Hasbro's. Okay, now putting on the tip. Here is complete Soul Blaze. Does not come with the launcher. So, yeah, it's going to be my unboxing. Peace out.